In this fast-paced digital era, email is a fundamental communication tool, but with hundreds of emails hitting your inbox every single day, it can feel impossible to keep up with important messages at times. Learning how to sort emails in a way that boosts your productivity can be a game changer. Sorting Gmail by sender. Tips and tricks for an organized inbox. Hi, I'm Allie from Hiver, and today we're going to delve into one of the most effective strategies of managing your Gmail inbox, sorting emails by sender. By sorting emails by factors like the topic, sender, size, or age of the message, you can work more efficiently and avoid losing messages. It can help you keep track of trends in correspondence, remove unwanted emails, and focus on those messages that need your time and attention. This useful feature can help you focus on essential communications, reduce clutter, and boost your overall email productivity. So are you ready to take control of your Gmail? Let's get started. Step 1. Using the search bar. Whether you're on your computer or your mobile device, sorting emails by sender starts with the search bar. Just type from sender's email address in the Gmail search bar, and Gmail will show all the emails from that sender. This is a fast and straightforward way to access all emails from a specific person or organization. Step 2. Creating filters on web. Next, we can create filters for specific senders. This allows Gmail to automatically categorize emails from a specific sender. For instance, you can create a filter to label all emails from your boss as important. To create a filter, click the search bar, fill in the sender's email, and click Create Filter. Unfortunately, creating filters is currently only available on the web version of Gmail. Step 3. Using labels. Once you've set up filters for specific senders, you can use labels to further organize your emails. For instance, you might label all emails related to a specific project as Project X. This makes them easy to find and manage. You can do this on both the web and mobile versions of Gmail. Step 4. Using Hiver for better email management. If you're looking for an even more efficient way to manage your emails, Hiver is here to help. Hiver transforms your Gmail into a collaborative workspace, enabling you to assign emails to your team members, track their status, and collaborate without leaving your inbox. This is particularly beneficial when dealing with emails from clients or customers that need to be handled by different team members. To explore more, visit www.hiverhq.com. Sorting your emails by sender is a powerful strategy to manage your inbox and enhance your email efficiency. Remember, the key to efficient email management is consistency. By regularly sorting your emails, you'll find managing your inbox becomes much easier. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides. Also, be sure to check out our free handbook on 19 ways to better manage your emails. This guide provides step-by-step instructions, tips, and best practices to help you manage your emails effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.